Sí. This week we had good progress installing the cabinets, doing those modifications that were needed. And we also started doing the preparations for painting the cabinets. We did a caulking and we're gonna start priming it next week, and also doing the electrical part. We have a door now in the pantry and the separation of lower and upper cabinets. We also have the exhaust duct for the dryer, which is of course one option, and the other option is to put it down on the floor. We have the duct also finished on the AC, which is good. Now we can close that part. The AC people still have to install that return here in the studio, and we also have the master bathroom cabinets installed. Thank you for watching, and we'll see us next week.